Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Nero here from Silent Tech Waves, and I'm here reviewing the DDJ-REV1 controller by Pioneer DJs. We're going to go ahead and check that out. Stay tuned.
I'm too far, I can't love you, I'm too caught up, we can't hold hands, I'm too hard up, I've been tore down, I'm too scarred up, I can't come down, I'm too far, I'm too far, I'm too far, I've been tore down, I'm too far, I can't love you.
We got the controller set up here. So as you can see here, we got the gold. Got the gold turntable here. The discs are bigger than the usual. Bigger than the usual controller at this price range. These are a lot bigger, so they took out the pads that's usually here and put the pads here, which pads feel pretty good. They're a little on the small side, but I can say that at least they feel really good. Slider, I really wish the slider would lock here when you get to the middle, but that's a small thing to me. Same for the raising the tempo here. I wish it would lock here. It locks a little, but usually when you're in the mood and you're sliding up and down, you gotta just, come when you get to the sweet spot, make it a little slower. We got the volume knob for this side here, volume knob here. You got your 3 and 4. You want to load up 4 tracks at the same time. You can easily switch between the 4. You got your trim. You got your highs, your mids, your lows, low pass filter, high pass. You have your 3 effect buttons here. They are already pre-set, but you can change them in your software. You're able to change these 3 buttons to your favorite effects, and you're able to lock it. Quick effect, you can lock it and have the effect stay there. It's pretty nice. You have your dial here where you can search through the songs. Click load. That's really a good feature here, being able to just come here, load up the track, and load up your next side. So that's pretty good. Let's play a song. Let's see what we can get going here. All right. We're gonna go ahead.
If you ain't tryna love, I'm gone. And now you wanna know what I'm done. Don't know how many chains I got on. Red bleeding. You broke my heart, man, can't you see me bleeding? If I ain't getting money, I ain't breathing. The shit I do, it all comes with a reason. And now me, I'm the only one pleasing. I'm home. If you ain't tryna love, I'm gone. And now you wanna know what I'm done. Don't know how many chains I got on. If I ain't getting paid, I'm home. If you ain't tryna love, I'm gone. And now you wanna know what I'm done. We got blocks, bitch, don't know how many drops. Send no shooters through, I tell them drop shit. Real street nigga, I will not snitch at all. Sure they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. No, they call me daddy cause I drop dick and all. Niggas don't be dressing, you do not drip at all. Send them shooters through, I tell them drop shit and all. Shit and all. Drop shit and all. I'm into my trap house, we got blocks, bricks and all. Drop shit and all. Mops, this and all. Send them shooters through, I tell them drop shit and all.
Ain't do that justice. This is an amazing controller. Go get that DDJ-REV1. Get the limited edition one too because it's gold. And gold is nice. Go get that. And that's it. That's a review of the DDJ-REV1 Pioneer DJ Controller Limited Edition. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll be reviewing how the controller works with the MacBook Air that I just recently purchased and did a review on. I'll give you my 1 month review on how I feel with the MacBook and how well it works with Serato, Final Cut Pro. So stay tuned and subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching.
Baby, I was trying for